Hey guys, Mary, and welcome back to Study Journey. Welcome back to the Python series. This is the last episode of News Monitor, and so in this episode we're going to be doing triggers and then finishing up this problem. In addition, this is also the last episode of all of the 6.001 from the MIT OpenCourseWare Problems, and so without further ado, let's get into the video. So in the previous episode, we have already finished everything for this code, but in this episode, we're going to be doing problem 12, which is actually going to be writing our own trigger. So how we're going to do this is we're going to be thinking about the presidential debate coming up on October 19th, and this is a really old problem, so I think this is from the 2016 election, but instead of doing this, we might want to do a more recent one that just happened. So for example, the 2024 one. But how we're going to do this is just write a triggers file. So in our Finder, we have right here the triggers.txt, but maybe we want to do a debate triggers.txt. But what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to modify this triggers.txt file, and as we can see right here, currently it is on Trump and Clinton. So instead, let's make this about, for example, Trump and Kamala. So, for example, I'm going to make this still the election, and then for this one, it is still going to be Trump, but instead of doing it with Clinton, let's do one with Kamala. And let's make the date after, let's say, for example, July 20th of 2024. Okay, so now that we have this, maybe we wanted to make it between the time zone, for example, when it is 2 o'clock, and maybe we want to do a T5 where it is before July 20th of 2024, let's say 8 o'clock. And so now that we have this, we can make T6 and with T2 and then T3. And then we're just going to add T6 to it. So let's just get out these comments. And I'm going to Command S, save it, and let's run it and see what we get. And so as we can see right here, it says that it doesn't match this format. And so as we can see, this is because there is a space right here. So let's save that again. And instead of letting it, let's make it the title about Trump and then save it. And so we can play around with this and see what is best. And so now that we have this, we know how to do all of this. Okay, and so in this episode, we have just finished the last part of this News Monitor game, and which is problem set 5. So we have actually also finished all of the Python problems of the 6.001 MIT OpenCourseWare Problem Sets. And so now that we have finished all of this, we have just finished everything here, and we can actually also go to my website. So if you go to her STEM journey, and you look on Python self-study notes, there is everything here except in notes form. So we have, for example, the house problem, the Hangman game, and the News Monitor. So for News Monitor example right here, I have all of the notes for how to do it if you didn't want to just watch the videos or if you needed a refresher or anything like that. And also this book is also out on Amazon. So if we go to Amazon, you can actually search up Python self study notes, and it is the first one right here where it has all of the explanations of the book right here, so if anyone is interested. And that is it for the Python series of the MIT OpenCourseWare notes, and I hope you enjoyed.